So guys, we are using Loomis method. For this drawing, we first start with circle. After drawing circle, now draw 2 horizontal lines for eyes. Draw 3 vertical lines to understand the difference between the eyes. Now it's easy to draw eyes. Loomis method is easy if you're using it right way. Always once check reference picture. When you're going to draw eyes, eyes create main role when you're drawing any portrait. So draw eyes safely. Now see the reference picture and draw outlines. So outlines are almost done. Now we are using Artline Pencil to dark the outlines. Remove extra pencil part. So now we are going to add shading.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling.
Now draw interface details. If you want, you can draw background. Now use white gel pen to shine the eyes. Almost done. If you like this video, please do like and do subscribe to my channel.